Dance party.
Just getting some B-roll for Jasmine's senior project.
Please put me on the news. Oh,
Jasmine, what?
This is fun. Are we?
We ain't gonna fit, guys. There's like 2,100 pounds.
Catherine.
Oh my.
Catherine, come. I want to get a video of this.
This is like the movie Devil. And then all the lights turn off and someone dies.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
That'd be a good vlog, Jared. I don't want to help me.
Oh my gosh, you guys are small.
I'm holding that heavy stuff.
Kayla holds stuff, Jared.
I might have a game on Saturday.
You're actually doing it.
Yeah, I have been training. Yeah.
So the Falcon 9 is supposed to go off today. It's like a historical moment, and we are down to 10 seconds. So I'm just gonna watch it on here, then I'm gonna run outside and see if I can see it.
8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
All right, there it goes. I'm sprinting outside. See if we can see it. Should be somewhere. I'm gonna try to stand on something actually. Oh, okay. Should be, actually that's not even a good view. So I'm gonna go in the front yard. Ugh. Front yard's probably better. Oh, there it is. Wow. It's already so far up. Oh, that was exciting, and you already can't see it. In a few minutes, probably gonna start hearing the sound and the vibrations, just because this is like the most powerful rocket that they've ever launched. I think it was something about 5 million pounds of pressure or something like that. I'll have to insert the actual fact there. But I have a workout actually at the Melbourne Causeway, and when I was driving home, there were like cars just completely lined up because I guess they were trying to get to the top so they could see a good view of the launch. So I'm actually gonna have to kind of assess the situation. I'm supposed to be running the causeway, but I usually park off to the side, so there might not be enough room. I might have to wait like half an hour or so, wait for other cars to clear out of there. But yeah, it was a historical launch. They were like putting a Tesla up there and using like 3 rocket boosters or whatever. There, I'm gonna actually go in and check what they're saying on the computer, because it's always kind of cool to see what they actually have to say. And they're also playing David Bowie music too. I'm not sure why, but another cool thing about this launch is that they actually are going to try to bring back everything so they can reuse it. And yeah, he's actually putting one of his Teslas up in orbit, which is cool. That's Cape Canaveral right there. It's coming back and landing right now.
Different boosters. They're heading towards Earth. They're about to begin their landing burn.
And that landing burn has started.
Both boosters looking to be on track towards their respective landing zones.
Oh, and there they are. And that was successful. I don't think they've ever landed 2. I'll have to check with my dad, but I'm pretty sure this is the first time they've ever landed twice at one time. Ooh, and this one's landing in the ocean.
Everything that you could want in a test flight. We got here. Now we're just looking for the icing on the cake to find out what happened on the drone show.
Whoa, what the heck? Do you see what's in those bushes over there, Liam? You see that?
Yeah, I think I do.
Is that a snake?
Oh, wow.
That's a snake.
Watch out, boy, she'll chew you up. Oh, here she comes. She's a man eater.
Oh my God. you're a boy, and I'm happy to call you mine.
So there's this boy, and I'm happy to call him mine. You want to see him?
Yeah, I do.
Come follow me. Come.
Okay.
There's this boy. He's number 7. Brandon Benitez.
Aww.
He's mine. All mine.
So cute.
Bad.
No, it tastes fine.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad. Happy birthday to you. Tony's moving up on the rankings. We definitely did not hack the thing at all. Let me just refresh real quick. I'm just gonna vote for Tony again real quick. 415. Alright, this Palm Bay guy is going down.
We should just keep voting. Do it until there's more.
15.
It's not possible.
Thanks for voting. You're welcome. Anything
There are
for
more
Tony.
votes than
Except Jasmine. Jasmine's not a fan of Tony.
doesn't love Tony.
I'm doing the work.
Jasmine, that is not what we're supposed to be doing right now.
even Megan's doing it.
Tony, you're so close. 513. 3 away. 1 away. Oh my gosh.
Keep going. Let's at least get him to 6.
Hey, Tony Hedrick in first place. Tony, how's it feel being in first? Johnny, let me see. We crashed the voting. This site is. It says this site is down for maintenance on mine.
Grab a new Chromebook.
Another one. Ryan, can you give Abe another one so I can document Abe trying his first fast food thing ever? Oh, okay, yeah. I won't do it. No. Yeah, pretend to eat it.
He's like,
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yum.
You've never had McDonald's?
Abe Murphy.
literally just ate a chicken.
It's Abe Murphy.
Wait.
He hasn't touched a fried piece of food in his life.
Hey,
Probably
answer the
have.
question.
Hey, what's the most unhealthy thing you've ever eaten?
The chicken nugget I just ate.
There we go.
Is Tony winning?
Of course.
Yeah, by like, I'm remember.
Tony doesn't lose.